Hello traders, welcome back. In this video tutorial we are going to be looking at the daily lines. These are the daily support resistance. They are formed using daily chart. So as you can see guys, we have the red lines, the double red lines, 1 2, right? 1 2. Why are there two red lines here? The reason there are two lines is because if the market it were to break the line above, this is the line which we use uh, to see the level at which the market can bounce, right? So you'll see here as we go on, just to see the level. So which means you are going to insert these double red lines, 1 2, and then the other 1 2, 1 2, 1 2. So the gap in between is the allowance in which the market can bounce off to, if it happens to bounce. You have the red lines. The red lines, there were number one, number two, number three, number four. All those red lines, just call them one together. Just call them in bulk because it's 1 2. So just call them 1 2 3, and then 4. And then we have the blue lines, right? And then they are also double, 1 2. The blue lines also the blue lines. So in these daily lines guys, these are the support and resistance line. It depends on whether the market is coming from above or below. So if it is from below, it means it becomes a resistance. If it is above, it is coming from above, it becomes a support until the breakout. So the simple strategy in which you should trade this strategy is that if the market it were to break the line, if it breaks the line, in this case it breaks the green one here. If it breaks this green one, right, we are waiting for the market to come back and retest, and then we buy or sell at the retest. So the market broke on this candle this day, which means we are looking at daily closes guys. Daily closes, it broke, which means we are looking to buy on the green line, right? The green line. So the market didn't retest that line, and then it broke the blue line, the red lines again. It broke the red lines, and then we're waiting for a retest again. We don't just buy guys just because it's a breakout. We buy low. So and then the market came back and retested our orange, our red lines, and then from there, since we bought at this red line guys, this red line, since we bought here, it means our take profit is going to be where? The next red line, because they chose to buy at the red line, right? They chose to buy at the red line when the market retested. It means our take profit is going to be the red line again, not the green one. If we bought, the market retested the green one, it means we are going to do what? To exit or on the blue one, right? So as it goes on, remember, support and resistance, they work as time goes. They sold here immediately after entering here, and immediately after the exit. This exit was an entry point for others, right? Which means they entered here. So another opportunity guys was here. As you can see, there is the respect on the daily chart. It means you are going to be to have sold here, and then you put a stop loss at least above, right? So after entering here, what do you do guys? After entering here, this is a sell, right? They sold here above, and then you can add some trades here. It means it was a sell from until, and then it comes back again and break what? It breaks what? It means now you are going to enter as some trades. It breaks the red lines, right? The red line, the double red lines, it break them first, and then what do you do guys? You wait for the retest, and then it did broke, and then the market retested it, and then you start selling after the retest, right? And then bam, and then when you sell here, it means you're going to exit on the next red line again, right? The next red line, in this case it was this one. I think the strategy is simple guys. You are just trailing daily charts. You are trailing daily, I mean the daily candles, the daily closes only. You are looking at the daily close, whether the market closed below or above. So this gives you all the time, if you are working, and you will still make money even if you are working and all those stuff. And then as you go on and on go on. So this is a daily strategy, guys. You are trailing the market based on daily trading the supports and resistances. I hope this video is very simple, guys. Rule number one is that you must use a daily chart. Number one, you are only monitoring daily closes, daily breakouts, and then when the market breaks your resistance, what do? You wait for a retest. You can also put a pending order. Wait a retest, it means that it must go up, it must break and then retest your line, and then you buy, and so on and so on. Until we meet again, guys, I hope this video was very simple. I'll make another one again.